New skin ni Xavier guys, pasensya na kayo at late tayo nag-review sa skin niya. Hali kayo guys at samahan nyo ko i-check ang effects ng bawat skills niya. Grabe naman yung second skill niya, ang ganda shish. Subukan naman natin pagsabayin ang first at second. Panes, grabe ka, napapamunton.
That kind of body, you don't mind spending all of your time. And it's not that you're asking me for nothing. I just wanna show you how
Natin, maraming salamat.
but with you, girl, I'm losing control. Yeah. Now I wanna do it.
いつかきっと大丈夫になると分かってるから前に進むだけだよ